Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Discover app to manage rotating categories, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Discover app, first, unlock your device. Locate the App Store on your home screen. If you are using an Android device, find the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, search for the App Store. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. In the search bar, type Discover app, press the search button to see the results. Look for the Discover app in the search results. Ensure that you select the correct app published by Discover Financial Services. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. On the app page, look for the Install or Get button. Tap on the Install or Get button to start the download. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the download is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap the Open button to launch the Discover app. If prompted, sign in with your existing Discover account or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After signing in, navigate to the settings to manage categories. Explore the app interface to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to use the Discover app to manage rotating categories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.